Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable crypto wallet extensions in Chrome. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Google Chrome browser. Look to the top right corner of the window. Find the three vertical dots, also known as the menu icon. Click on the menu icon to open a drop-down list. From this list, select More Tools. In the submenu that appears, click on Extensions. You will be taken to the Extensions page. Here, you will see a list of all installed extensions. Locate the crypto wallet extension you want to disable. Each extension will have a toggle switch. Click the toggle switch next to the extension to turn it off. The switch will change color, indicating that the extension is disabled. If you want to completely remove the extension, click on the Remove button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Remove again to confirm the action. The extension will be uninstalled from your browser. To close the extensions page, click the X in the top right corner. You have successfully disabled or removed the crypto wallet extension in Chrome. Now you can continue browsing securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.